Hello guys, in this video I will be creating a simple app. So when we open the app it will shows welcome activity and after few seconds it will automatically opens another activity. So let's start. So let's open your Android Studio. Now start a new Android Studio project and click empty activity, click next and name it welcome app. Now click finish. Now our project is ready. We have to create another activity. Now click on any of these folder. Go to new, go to activity and click on empty activity. Now click finish. So now our second activity is created. Now go to activity main XML file. Now as you can see there is a text hello world. Remove this text. We will replace it by image. Now first we have to import the image in drawable. Now I have an image on desktop. Copy this image and paste it in resources. Go to drawable, click on drawable and paste. Now click OK. I have given the name ABC. Click OK. Now our image is important. Let's insert an image. Give it a size of 100 dp. Height also 100 dp. Now background drawable ABC, which is the image of Facebook icon. Now close the tags. If you see the error, hold on the image view and click on this. Now let's drag it to the center and lock the constraints. So now our activity main XML file is ready. Now go to activity main 2 XML file. Now we have to change the background. Now if you want to change this color, so you can click on this and now go to custom and you can choose whatever you want to color it. Now we will add some text. Text color will be white. Now the text, we will give it activity 2 and let's give it a size of 30 sp. sp is the unit of text sizing, and close the tags. Now drag this text to center. So now our XML files are ready. Now we go to main activity Java file and we have to quotes. Now first write int. Here we will put the time we want. So when we open the app, it will automatically opens another activity after that time, and it is the millisecond unit, like it has 1.5 seconds to open another activity.